Good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr here with another check of your forecast. You know, yesterday we kind of recapped May, what we had in May. This time we're going to take a look out at what we can expect in June. And you can see a large part of the lower 48 here can expect there's strong confidence in above average temperatures, but not for us. We are in great shape. The gray shading here means equal chances of above or below. So when you peel back the layers, that just means the Climate Prediction Center thinks it'll be an average June in terms of temperatures and precipitation. For the most part, you've got to get right along the Tennessee line here, where there is a little bit of confidence in above average precipitation over the entire month. But I think for the most part, it should turn out to be an average June. Now, when you look at the numbers here, we start out with our average highs, lower 80s, and then we're near 90 by the end of the month. Morning lows creeping up towards 70 degrees by the end of the month. Hottest day ever in June happened in 2012, 110 at Bowling Green. But we also had a morning low in the upper 30s way back in 1903. About 4.5 inches of rainfall is what we average. And the most 100-degree days in the month of June happened twice, 9 of them, 1914 and 1936. Those were some hot Junes. Hopefully that doesn't happen this year. Very quiet today. I think we'll see plenty of sunshine, especially by the afternoon. Can't roll out, though, for a very brief window. A couple of very stray thunderstorms. I'll show you that here in a second. Watching our two systems that brought us that rain yesterday continuing to march away, really weaken as they do so. But by this afternoon, you see, a couple of showers and sprinkles. But by the time the sun sets, that threat is completely gone. And by tomorrow morning, high pressure to our southeast continues to dominate the weather. Notice the clearing here as we go through the morning. Should see some sunshine by this afternoon. But for our farthest eastern communities, with the rotation around that low, we could see a couple of showers or storms. The further west you go, I don't think there's any threat of some thunderstorms. I think you're in good shape. And by tomorrow morning, we are nice and quiet. So overall today, right around where we should be, in the lower 80s with clouds and sunshine across the entire tri-state area. And then lows tonight here in the 60s. Very pleasant overall. There's a look at the extended forecast. Very quiet tomorrow, headed back to work. A couple of afternoon storms Tuesday, but a better chance for widespread activity will come on Wednesday as our next cold front makes its passage.
Earlier this year,